Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up options. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Copying a sheet from one Google Sheets spreadsheet to another is straightforward and can be done in a few steps. But you have to realize that by copying a sheet, it will allow you to share specific data or information with different collaborators or stakeholders who may not need access to the entire original spreadsheet. Now, one of the method is simply here, you can right click on this specific tab and make a copy to. All right, you can choose new spreadsheet or existing spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the new spreadsheet, copying sheet, and sheet copied successfully. All right, or click on copy and click on existing spreadsheet. What will happen is you would be asked to the location of the spreadsheet. You can share it with this one, and of course, depending on your collaborators, if you're working with multiple freelancers, you can control access permissions by copying only relevant sheets to separate spreadsheets and sharing them accordingly. All right. Now you can also copy this and duplicate. What will happen is you would have a copy of this to a new tab, especially if you wanted to segment the database on the different project departments, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, collaborators, or your clients for reporting periods, because this segmentation can enhance clarity and facilitate. Now, another option is go to File and click on Make a Copy. And of course, same thing, you can rename the copy document. You can go to the specific My Drive. You can share it with the same people. You can copy comments, and of course, you can include resolve comments. All right. Now, the last way for you to be able to make a copy to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets is go to the Google Drive. Once you are here, this is going to be the all I'm going to do is make a copy, right? Now, you see there's going to be a status at the bottom that says copying. Okay. Now, all I'm going to do is once it copied successfully, you can locate the information, and from here we can rename the file. All right. Now, copying a sheet helps in organizing and segmenting data based on different projects. And of course, it can enhance clarity in your worksheet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.